Hoy, Angel, participate. Ay, 2 syllables.
Yes, 2 minutes.
Second syllable. Second syllable. Sounds like sky. Sun.
Oy!
Sounds like bird. Okay, bird. First syllable. X. No. Cross. Bird.
Crossway.
April boy.
At the cross.
Crossword. Crossword.
April boy! Di mo kaya tanggapin.
April boy.
Airplane.
April boy.
Plane.
Hindi ko. Gabi.
Christmas.
Okay, 1 minute is that's right.
Ano?
Next word. Second word.
Second word.
X-Men.
Ano kinalaman niyo? Sounds like bird. Sounds like expert. What? Teacher.
Oy, dog. Dog.
Lunchtime.
Going character.
Dog.
Wag ka mag-guess ka kamuna namin.
Wala.
That's right. Okay. It was nice rounds.
Sorry, nanay ko yung
Okay. Alright, so that was the trial round. That was the
Maghula ako.
Kailangan nyo ng utak dito eh, kaya, sige.
Ano to mga to?
Dap.
Hindi ka walang utang. Grabe. Ay, si Daphne.
Daphne and Kyle.
Ayoko to.
Na-unemployed.
There's 2 words. You guys can act one at a time or you guys can do it together. The word is this.
Wait, question.
The words are not correlated to each other.
Pwede mag-question?
Yes, what's your question?
When we need to steal, do we just shout out the word or?
No, you gotta wait until their timer
Okay.
finishes.
Yes,
You
you
guys
can,
get
you
one
can, you can
try.
say the word.
Okay.
It's okay.
1 try per word.
Yes.
Oh,
Ready
pinapagalitan
na.
si Chicken.
Ready.
Ready.
makasaling eh.
Pinapagalitan si Chicken.
Ready na yan. Malapit na yan.
Ready.
Oh, that.
Okay.
Matatalo agad
Okay,
tayo.
3, 2. Oh, yeah. You guys can choose. 3, 2, 1, go.
First, one word.
Ice cream.
English, necktie.
Graham.
Bow tie.
Suit.
Suit.
Alright, you guys get one word.
Basic.
Oh.
PlayStation.
PlayStation.
Gamer.
Legion.
Console. Steel.
Ay! Wow! Ano yan?
Cover.
Ay! Wow!
Spider-Man.
Cherry!
Mobile Legends.
Ano? Ay!
Fade away.
Mobile game.
Lebron.
Superman. Superhero.
Michael Jordan. Bavaria. At ano card?
Character sa Mobile Legends.
Okay. Franco.
Oh.
Tigril.
Pacquiao.
Ako. Marco.
Pakito.
Paano ba? Yung skin.
Badang.
Oo! Wow!
Kadita. A.
Atlas.
That's right, 1 point.
Kailangan ng utak kasi.
Atlas and fruits.
Wala yung mga kasama ko eh! Wala!
1-0.
Hoy, nagle-legends ko eh!
1-0. Okay.
Dahil, hands up! Baka ma-confuse kayo ah!
Sabi ni Bigger
Yun ang ano.
All dark.
Alright.
Oy, nawawala na ang dimples.
Oy, nawawala yung dimples ah.
Ay, hindi magpapakabog yan.
Ay, dito kayo! Layo niyo! Huwag niyo na pakita sa kanila. Dito kayo.
Okay, ready? Ready, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oy!
Ay! Shotgun!
Coco Martin. Coco Martin.
Sniper.
Tanggol.
Pen?
That's right, 1 point. Oh, personal danger.
Laser?
Go next.
Two words.
Two syllables.
May time limit ba yan?
Oo.
First syllable.
Up, down.
Oy.
Up, down.
Down.
Downside.
Down.
Second.
Time.
Down by, down
Down. Downside. Down. Bridge.
Non-down.
Down.
London Bridge is falling down. Falling down.
Downtime.
Down, down, down.
That's right! One point.
Sabi ko ano yun? Downlog.
Go, Brazil!
Okay, ready?
Brazil.
You, again, it is now just 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute na
Oo
lang.
nga.
Masyado kayo magaling eh.
Second round na eh, bakit na?
1 minute. Ready?
Kagalit.
Set. Go.
Driver.
Server.
Sir, gas.
Waiter.
Gasoline.
Gasoline station.
Gasoline station.
Okay, that's your
Kailangan talaga ng utak.
Ayoko na.
Ang taba ng utak mo. Taba, taba.
Yan yung... Ice cream.
Ice cream station.
Sorbetes. Donald Duck.
Leak.
Right. White lady.
White ice cream.
Vanilla.
That's right. 2 points.
Ice ice.
2 points. 2 points. Alright.
Combo.
One minute. Ready? You go first.
Ryan Rems.
Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Long hair. Braids. Curl. King. Hair. Hair.
Wig.
Extension.
Wig.
Extension. Hair. Wig.
Wig.
Wait, that's right, wait.
Hindi ka kasali likes.
Oy, pag hindi ka sali mo.
Airplane. Airplane. Two words. Syllables.
Tama ba?
Speechless.
Hoy, tumasikil laway mo.
May bacteria ba sa puso?
Wow!
Balance.
Sigalo.
Balance.
Second syllable.
That's right, Nancy.
Ano daw?
Chichinelas na ako.
Balance beam and wave.
Ay, balance. Ano
Balance
yun?
beam and wave.
Wow! Grabe ka, Kuya Bin!
Guess tayo, guess. Batan mo na.
Ay, kanino yan?
Uy, ay, hindi ko alam. Ako.
Ako din ang papakita mo ba ako? Sabi ko, ito na yung pinakamaliit. Grabe yun, pang ano na yun. Pang McDonald's yun.
Ah, nahirapan yung utak ngayon.
Oh, ano?
Walang bawi-bawi ha.
Easy.
Wow.
Timer. Tulungan nyo yun.
Okay, ready? Wait, a second, sorry. Ready? 1 minute start. In 3, 2, 1, go.
One word. English. Stage.
Okay.
Easy.
It's more like one word. Two syllables. Two syllables.
Way. Runway.
Way, lane, road. Sign. Horse. Sign, line. Post.
Between.
Alley.
In between.
In line. Wood.
30 seconds.
Late na kayo. Time between. Between time.
Late.
Late. Lunch break. Late.
Lunchtime.
Sundown. Sun time.
Night. Good night. Evening.
Ano sabi mo?
Last night.
Last
Between night. Between.
Ay! Alam mo.
Sinabi mo yan, di ba?
Midnight.
Good
Buzzer beater.
Pagod na ako sa bedtime na girl.
3, 2.
Ay, Bible characters na to.
Nagkoconnect kami ni Gal. Good job.
Lorin, tambay na tambay ah.
Good night, Kyle.
Alright. Okay, ready? In 3, 2, 1, go.
Ah, sorry.
One word.
Oy,
First word. Pick it. Pick up. Throw the garbage. Oy! Grab.
claw machine ka.
Basura.
Claw machine daw. Claw. Machine. Marriage! Marriage!
Claw machine.
Ghost.
Claw. Alam ko yan.
One! Cry!
That's right. That's right.
Ano daw?
Crane.
Word.
Crane. Hirap na.
Great is right.
Sunshine.
30.
Ah!
Dapat kinuha nila.
Si Kyle daw.
Tourist. Tourist.
Sabi na terrorist.
Sabi niya terrorist eh. Terrorist naman eh.
Sunshine daw yun sa kanya. Kyle,
Easy yan, sige.
buhati mo si Inigo ah.
Kyle.
Ang hirap ng una, no?
Avocado. Paano may
Category.
iyak yung avocado? Paano may iyak yung avocado?
Hoy, ano na lang.
To be, there is a change. There's a change in genre.
Ay.
Bible character. Bible character.
Basic!
Okay?
Sige, pauna mo sa amin lahat.
Okay, ready? Ready?
Kinabahan si Kyle.
Sabihin mo na lahat ng karakter. Pagbasitan na sinuro.
You change the timer because it's now just one thing. So it's gonna be 30 seconds.
One word na lang.
Tagal naman.
Moses.
2, 1, go.
Adam! Eve!
Alright. 1 point.
Easy! Wait lang! Ba't sang book yun?
Genesis.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
So proud of you. Great job.
Ay! Ay! Tingnan mo to!
Bakit dalawa?
Just coffee.
Isang word na
Eh,
lang.
kapag nag-suggest ka, dapat mag-isip.
Dream team. Layo pa na
Oh.
niya.
Ready?
Girlfriend na ako guys.
Ay, girl, bye bye.
Girlfriend?
Nagpresenta sa kanya. Ano ba naman to?
Grabe.
Huwag yan.
Ano pangalan ng love team nila?
Ayaw niyang
London. Flyki.
Uy, lumapit kayo dito. Kami yung
Loki.
Look na lang.
Loki!
Loki.
Pag naging together sila, magiging green ninja.
Go!
Alright. Okay, you guys got it?
Guys.
Go, go, go!
5.
Don't think about it too much.
You guys got 30 seconds. 5.
Layo naman.
3, 2, 1.
Go.
Prodigal son.
Easy! Hindi, mukha kasi nila yung mga Tama yan.
Dapat anong chapter? Anong chapter na hinulaan? Anong chapter?
Anong book? Anong book?
Hindi, gusto ko eh. Excited ako eh.
Ay,
Dalawa pa rin.
dalawa pa rin.
Basic mga 1 seconds.
Adam and steak. Oh, ito ah.
Ngayon lang to.
Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Samson! And then
Okay.
Wow, anong book?
Alright. Good timing.
Natulog lang.
Alright, next. Next.
Si Catherine.
Alam ko na!
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
David Balayat!
wala, madaya nung sa mga
Alright. Oh, tie.
Kaya.
Ayan yan, pag yan pinahinawalaan.
Alright, 30 seconds.
Ano to?
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
The Carpenter.
Jesus, Joseph.
Evan!
Ah, that's right! Wow, galing mo naman dito.
Oy, baka maawakan.
Yung kasi preaching kanina eh.
Baka maawakan.
Anong book? Anong book?
Genesis.
Hindi! Puro Book of Noah daw.
Hebrews.
Hindi mo ba alam kasama siya umakyat? Makakaulagod. Si Mark bahala sa'yo.
Oh, wala.
Wala! 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, ito na.
1, go.
Ice cream.
The Ten Commandments. Si Palestine. Egypt.
Ten plagues.
Seven plagues. Egypt.
Ten Egypt.
Seven
Ten Commandments. No.
7 plagues?
Ten
Ten plagues in Egypt.
in the Egypt.
10 plagues of Egypt. 10 plagues of Egypt. 10 plagues?
Actually, walang number.
7.
Ay, ako yung si Belvin. Tingnan ko yung salitaan kayo.
Gulat siya.
Kaya mo yan.
Walang pass mo.
Go!
Walang pass.
Hindi, magsiswitch.
5,
Walang switch.
4, 3, Ibay na.
Tiwala.
Okay.
Tiwala kay Lord. I have a lot to think. Go.
Okay, you have 30 seconds.
Kinabahan siya tuloy.
Go!
Events pa rin.
3, 2, 1, go!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
King Nebuchadnezzar. King
Wow.
David. What? Passing of the throne. David becoming
King Saul.
Ano to? King Saul. Traveling. Killing David. King Saul.
For the Red Sea.
King.
Paving.
Dying.
8,
And the cave.
5, 4, 3,
King Saul passing the
1.
crown.
Alright! You have one guess to steal. Oh,
Pwede po makita ulit?
no.
Huwag kayo maingay rin.
Okay, you have, I'll give you 10 seconds.
Ang hirap
10,
naman nun.
9, 8, 7, 6,
Fall into King Saul.
5,
Alam ko na
4,
Falling down the river.
3,
King Saul.
2, 1. Alright, what's your guess?
King Saul. Uy, wala na. Alis na yun. Alis na yun.
King Saul. Dying. King Saul dying. It is wrong. Actually, it's the wrong Saul.
Yeah.
You used the wrong Saul. Yeah.
sa Damascus.
Yes. It is. Alright, ready?
Ayusin niyo yan.
Ba't nag-iba?
Oh, saan nyo lang? Madali.
This is it. This is it. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Beauty and the Beast.
Jacob.
Jesus!
Daniel.
Joseph the dreamer.
Oh.
Joseph the lion's den.
Oh!
Beauty and the Beast.
Dreaming.
Rapunzel!
Who are you? King.
Say, not okay.
Lazarus! Natulog.
8 seconds.
Interpreting. The dream.
5,
Joseph the interpreter.
3,
Of the king.
2,
Joseph
1.
interpreting the dreams of the king.
Okay, we'll take the point. Hindi, nagalit na. You started talking before the thing ends.
Butterbean.
Alright, Butterbean.
Horsey Nigo!
Alright,
Nakakatapos
ready?
niya lang.
Marami. Bakit?
Oh, kulang kami.
Ano, talo na kayo.
Sumali ka dyan.
Oy, si CJ muna.
Madali lang yan.
Okay.
Oy, di
Okay.
kami naman yung upo dito, girl.
Alright.
Pwede ba si TJ na lang mag-act lahat? Ay, si party niya to.
Oo.
Now,
Wala na.
after this round,
After this
round,
na sila.
ready? In 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh!
That's right.
Wow!
Binulong ka, binulong ka.
Binulong mo?
Tower of Babel.
Ito lang yung mabuti kasi. Ganito lang yung Ay, sorry. Whatever. Just wait.
Hey.
30 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Jesus baptism.
John baptism.
Caleb and Caleb.
Abraham and Isaac.
See it, right?
Isaac. Abraham sacrificing Isaac.
Okay, there you go. Alright.
Lamig yan.
Tapos na pag
In 3, 2, 1.
Wait, hindi pa.
Wala, nag-uusap pa eh.
Hindi pa nakakaliwas eh.
Okay na.
Okay. Alright. Okay, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
The Last Supper.
Okay. Okay. 18.
Nasa amin yung isang Pascual.
Magaling ka sa tumulong sa kalaban. Dali na sa kanila.
Ano kang dali? Hirap na
Oh,
sa amin.
5, 4, 3.
Bibilang pag sa kanila. Oo nga no?
Ready.
May watch time tayo.
3, 2, 1, go.
Ay, alam ko na.
Oy, Aquaman,
Aquaman.
Moses.
Superman.
That's three.
Okay. Wow! Tom and Friends.
Wilderness.
Ogie and the Cockroaches. Red Sea.
There's a confusion. Alright, time's up! What is the answer? You have one guess. One guess only.
Ogie and the
You have 10 seconds starting now.
Come here with your
10,
That's sinasabi.
9, 8, 7, 6,
Ayan na lang.
5, 4, 3,
May dalawa kami, may
one. Isa na. Isa na.
Pwede na lang namin.
Isa na.
Why? Bakit kayo
Oh,
nandito?
bigyan ko number
Time
1.
to shine.
Number 1.
I vote for this
Ayaw,
one.
I vote him.
Sabi ni Melvin.
Okay.
Sinabi mo.
Okay.
Okay. Joshua and Caleb
Yes.
spying.
Wala.
Wrong. Alright, the answer is
Guys, pakinggan nyo ang hirap. Israelites crossing the Jordan River.
Ito na yun eh.
Dapat
Sinabi mo yun!
Ano sabihin namin?
Ay, nagano na lang eh.
Ayaw. Sabihin namin kasi na ako. Jordan.
ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Ay, wow, nagdagas.
Jesus and the...
Jesus and the storm.
Down. Alright, next. Next 1 to 2 minutes. Alright, ready, 3, 2, 1, go.
Daniel.
Okay, that's right. Okay.
Kuha ko ang Marco yung rare eh.
Kuha ka lang yung nasa palabas.
Parang tirag na yun.
Okay, wait.
Pinalitan niya. Ay, pinalitan niya.
Okay, alright. You will start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Passion of the Christ. Burning bush. Voices of the Ghost.
Moses in the burning bush. Moses in the burning bush. Moses in the burning bush.
Bakit may nag-iisa
Kala ko, no? 10-9, 10-9. Uy, napapao.
Alright, ready?
10-9 na. Kuya man, 10-9 na. Laman kami isa.
Ah, 10-9. Okay.
Para malinaw lang.
Alright.
Uy, nahihirapan.
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Fire! Burning! Fire!
Burning.
Set up fire!
Fire!
14 seconds.
O ano? Kinagsesemento!
Israel! David! Ricky!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0!
Okay.
Now,
Sa amin!
actually, no, he was close. Marco was very close. Okay. You guys got 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Di ko alam English yan eh.
2,
Oo.
1. Okay.
Di ko alam English yan eh.
Okay.
Elijah asking for God to rain fire.
Wrong!
Ano?
Shadrach, Meshach, daw.
No.
Another in the fire.
Elijah taken by the chariot of fire.
Nakalit na yung Elijah!
Bakit ang fire?
Okay. Alright.
Ayan, hero.
Ready?
Where are you?
Di ko alam eh.
Oh my gosh!
Okay.
Wow!
Alright.
Parang ang dali.
No prop. No prop. No props. Burning machine.
Walang mag-iyos! Ito na!
Tawag ng turo. Mawala ko magturo.
Okay, session na ako.
Ay!
Siya na!
3, 2, 1, go!
You!
Peter walking on the water! Reaching out for Jesus.
Ha?
Oy! Yun!
Peter, reaching out held Jesus' hand. While Peter walking on water, reaching out the hands of
okay.
Jesus.
Peter walking on the water. That's it. Good job! Okay, natin celebrate natin si Ben.
Wala ka ng wave. Pero kami Israelite. Israelite.